Hey guys, Bitcoin Owen here. Anthony Pompliano has been posting on Twitter. He posts every day, 7 days a week. I don't think Anthony Pompliano takes a single day off work. But Anthony said that what you need to remember about stocks is that they will definitely be up in 6 years' time. In less than 6 years, it's not so sure. We don't know. But long-term investors, when you invest in stocks for the long term, you're guaranteed to make a return. You're guaranteed to make a return. That means the price won't be down. The price of the value of your investment won't go down if you give it 6 years. If you wait for 6 years, the value of the investment won't go down. But anyway, I replied and I said, but Anthony, what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin demonetizes stocks. And that's what it does. You shouldn't be investing in stocks. You should not be investing in stocks. The only thing you should be investing in is Bitcoin, not stocks, not real estate, or property as we call it in Ireland, and not bonds. Not stocks, not property, and not bonds. Bitcoin is the only way to go, and Bitcoin is the only thing you should be investing in. If you don't agree with me and you don't understand this and you're not doing this, then you've got more work to do. You have got more work to do in terms of understanding Bitcoin. If you don't feel like investing in Bitcoin, you have money or you have other investments and you don't want to give them up. A lot of people say, oh, I've got money tied up in property, but I don't want to give that over because I'm dependent on the income. Well, I don't know, but the return on Bitcoin is far superior than the return on property, the return that property offers, property in Ireland today. And that's because Bitcoin demonetizes property. Bitcoin has a higher rate of return than property. And Bitcoin, since inception in 2009, has delivered a compound annual growth rate of 61%. 60% a year. That's how much Bitcoin has grown in the last 16 years, 60% a year for the last 16 years since it was launched in 2009, since inception in 2009. And that's what you've got to return. There's no stock that has done that for the last 16 years. No stock in the whole wide world. No property in the whole wide world has done that either. So be sure to like, share and subscribe, guys.